Hey, Mr. Joseph, I was scrolling through Facebook and saw your post right here looking for an SEO company, management company, looking for any recommendations. Well, I just wanted to come on here and maybe provide a little bit of value, before we talk, if we're able to talk and you schedule an appointment. And before we start with anything, I just wanted to give you my contact information right here. Here's my personal number. You can call or text it at any time. And also, here's my email. And I just wanted, to say a little bit of something before, we end up getting on the phone or anything. Um, maybe adding a phone number, or something to give the people that come on here a call to action. This is great though. Trying to get them to put in whatever they are, whatever they want to put in there. But maybe having a phone number, right here that's super big and bold. Giving them the prompt to call you. Giving the customer or the potential customer any chance to be able to contact you, to be able to convert as many people off of this website as possible. So, again, here's my contact information. Please feel free to contact me at any time, and I'll be willing to talk. Maybe provide a little bit more value, and maybe we'll be able to talk soon. Thank you.